You can use the Batch Item Settings tool to apply consistent gradebook and other settings across all resources within a particular content type that is in use in your course. What this feature won't do is allow you to batch assign items of a particular content type. After you batch change item settings, if you haven't already assigned the items you wish students to complete, you'll still need to complete the normal steps from assigning items one by one. To begin, from your home page, click Instructor Console. Now click Batch Item Settings. Choose the content type you would like to apply settings to from the drop-down menu. After choosing a content type, the resources of that type will appear in a list. Select the resources you wish to apply settings for and adjust the settings to your needs. When you are finished, click Apply Settings to selected items. A window will open for you to confirm that you will be changing assignment settings and tells you how many items of the content type you choose will be updated. Again, a warning will remind you that the tool will overwrite any existing item and assignment settings and advise you against making changes after your students have begun work in your course. Click Update Assignment Settings. Thank you for using LaunchPad.